Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Ricky Cadan back again with another free real life stock review for Real Life Trading Australia. It's Wednesday. Hope you guys have had an amazing week so far. We are at the middle of the week, but we are at the start of May. Fresh new month. The real life traders at Real Life Trading had an amazing month in April. Take a look at our journal, guys. We do share this with all our traders, and just for the month of April, we did do 8.35% on each portfolio. That's in swing trading alone. Now, me personally, I did do day trades and futures trades as well, totaling a amount of 14.5 hours for the month. But this is what we did just in the swing trading room alone. And as you can see, guys, I mean, these are pretty solid gains. 2.34R, buying in at $48, selling out at 56, buying at 32, selling at 41, 46, 62. I mean, these trades are absolutely phenomenal trades, guys. You are getting some pretty decent value, very decent gains. And the analysis is uncanny. I will show you what sort of analysis you will get. We are in currently 3 swing trades: Snapchat, Tuffin, and Car, all currently active. So we'll have to see how they go over the next few days or weeks or so. But we'll take a look at the markets. But before we do that, actually, guys, if you do want to learn to trade, hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au, scroll all the way to the bottom, create yourself an account, and you will make yourself a little beautiful little dashboard just like this. And you'll have access to free online courses. That's right, free online courses. What? I know. Who is giving away free courses these days? You can learn to do beginner courses, advanced courses, intermediate courses, futures courses. I mean, even if you've got kids, you want to teach them how to day trade, or you want to teach them how to trade, swing trade, start teaching them now. We've got a course built for them for absolutely free. So hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au, create yourself an account, and then if you do want to become a paying subscriber and join our trading rooms and get so much more value, we do have some amazing bundles here. $99 per month. I mean, you'll most likely get a lot more than a $99 per month of value at these trading rooms for sure. So hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au, get yourself signed up, and help us enrich lives. Let's take a look at the markets. SPY today, we did have a very nice retest gap, which is a green candle gapping up. Right now, we are currently just retesting. We do have a beautiful little doji candle currently bouncing off the 20 EMA. I mean, we did have a very nice little pullback, and this could potentially, turn into a head and shoulders pattern. We'll just have to wait and see what transpires in the market. The E-minis not doing a whole lot, just slowly beginning to bounce. We are still in a bit of a consolidation phase here, guys. Makes a ton of sense. If you take a look at the long-term moving averages, we're still struggling to get above them. So we could very well just roll down and go back down, back down to this particular trend line here at about 2600. Makes a lot of sense if we do come down here and start to bounce. That's just my overall thoughts on the overall markets. Here's Atlassian Corporation, ticker symbol TEAM, creating such an amazing bullish candle. We're hitting new all-time highs. Probably one of the only stocks out there that are. This is really just in an amazing bullish trend. Has been for a very long time. Look to buy the dip. We do speak about this one in our trading rooms. So, if you want to know what is going on with these companies, when's the best time to get in, definitely join our rooms. Here's Car. Now, this is the swing trade that we have currently. It is an options play. It's an absolute zero play with puts for May 15th, which is only a couple of weeks away. Currently got triggered into them. Looking for a little rollover, and on this one, looks good. I mean, we're in a very nice pennant right now, and we are very slowly weakening as Hertz is actually, on the verge of going bankrupt. So here's Car. I mean, they could be following suit. May as well take advantage of that bearish move. So CAR currently looking a little bit weak at the moment and looking to take it short. Here's Snapchat, another options play that we are currently in. Currently up on this trade, only very small though, as you can see, probably only up a couple of percent and some change, but looks good. This was an amazing gap and go. It was a perfect gap and go above the highs of this particular candle, and also above the highs of the long-term moving averages. And we've already retested. So right now we're just looking for a continuation. We are coming into some resistance. I get that, but most likely we'll look to trail our stops. As we move higher on this one. Here's the All Lords. Now the All Lords really not doing a lot, guys. I mean, this is just like watching paint dry at the moment. Anything you're looking at playing on the Aussie markets right now, it's very, very choppy, extremely choppy. But there are definitely opportunities out there. But just right at this point, on the shorter term moving averages, guys, we're still below the 50 EMA, so we're not looking extremely bullish. I think we're just going to be chilling down here for quite some time. It's going to be a very long time until we make new all-time highs on the All Lords again. We only just made new all-time highs coming into 2020, and that pretty much just got given all back from, back. Yeah, we've come all the way back down to the lows of 2016. So I mean, guys, it is a very, very crazy pullback that we did have. There are opportunities, but definitely look to buy low and sell high. FMG getting a nice little dippage right now. We're getting a little bounce off the 50 EMA. Now this is currently a support level. Not a very huge support level right now. However, if you are looking for a shorter term trade, this one is a very nice little trade. We can look, if you're looking to buy, just look for a little bit of a pullback. We already have had 3 bullish candles in a row. So expect a small little dip and then a continuation higher. Here's TPG Telecom, ticker symbol TPM. Now, a lot of people are using the internet at the moment. So TPG getting absolutely slammed, which is good. They're making money, and right now they're on a dip. So currently we have a very nice 3 bullish day candles right now coming back into these shorter term moving averages with a very nice higher low. And if you are looking for a very nice dip buying opportunity, you can always look for a little pullback at about $7 and some change, and that would be a very nice dip buying opportunity. If you take a look here, guys, we have got a resistance level right at that particular level. Currently just retesting, so it makes a lot of sense for us to come back to this level and bounce. Here's Newcrest, and before I take a look at this analysis, guys, here is a small snippet of the analysis that I gave back on this day here. Newcrest mining. So Newcrest is going to be pulling back a little bit with gold pulling back. So right now, I mean, if you were looking at buying Newcrest, I'd probably wait till about $25 and some change. It just most likely seems the most feasible right now to be buying at that particular level. Just keep your eyes on gold too. So you can see here we're getting 3 days of pullback. We've got 3 days of pullback here as well. So if we do come all the way back down to 100 on gold, you're going to start looking at your all your gold mining companies as well. So Newcrest is one of them. We are at the 100 simple moving average as well. So once again, I mean, we've rejected this particular moving average already 3 times in the past. So it just makes a lot of sense to do it again. Shorter term moving averages, we are above all of them. But long terms, yeah, keep on waiting. We're probably going to consolidate a little bit here too. But Newcrest, there's no real trade just yet. Unless you want to set up, a blind buy at 25.40 with a stop down here, that's totally fine. That makes a lot of sense. You can do that. Whether or not you get filled is a different question, but we'll wait and see. Wow. I can't believe we came all the way down to 25.40 and we bounced. I mean, that was just an absolutely incredible analysis by your boy here, just hitting out the 1-2s on Newcrest. Oh man, absolutely insane. Bullish, bullish, bullish. I have been saying that Newcrest will most likely turn around and go bullish here because of gold, and we are starting to break above this particular trend line. Makes a lot of sense, guys. If you're not in right now, just look to buy on a dip, and that's pretty much Newcrest. So Newcrest does look good. We are above the shorter term moving averages. They have crossed over. We're above the trend line. Looks really good for a continuation. Here's crude oil. Now crude oil just getting a little bit of a rejection at the 50 EMA. I mean, we have had a beautiful double bottom. Crude oil has been getting absolutely slammed. I do think we come down and pull back a little bit. Just makes the most sense. We're at a fairly long-term resistance right now, especially the last couple of months. We have had troubles getting above this particular level right now. So crude oil, probably just look to buy the dip at this particular point. If you're in stocks that, if you're in stocks like BP or any other petroleum companies, it's going to be a very good time to start looking at taking your profits off the table. If you did buy down at this particular level, look to lock in a little bit of gains and then just look to buy the dip. Makes the most sense. And here's gold off the back of Newcrest. Here it is. So we have had a nice little double top, but we've got nice little high lows and lower highs. So we are forming somewhat of a nice little pennant right now. And it just looks, it's just building that pressure, guys. We have had the breakout above this particular high, and right now we are just retesting, building that pressure, and most likely going to go higher. Last but not least, here is the Aussie dollar finding that support again at the 20 EMA, just like last time. I mean, shocking. So the Aussie dollar finding a little bit of strength here. However, I do think this move has already happened. We did get a really nice, 5-wave, Elliott wave move, and right now I just expect us to kind of chop around, maybe pull back a little bit, and before we do make some greater moves higher. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. I'll be back on Friday with another real life stock review, and until then, love life, live life, and trade it. I'll see you all soon. Bye.